My name is Medlin Ida. I'm a female. I'm presenting a hot talk on hot communication campaign in Brigham Young University, Utah, USA, as an online student. I welcome you to this podcast. I'm going to communicate the importance of maintaining a simple habit of hand washing on a regular basis to prevent transmitted diseases like flu and COVID-19. We sometimes forget that our hands should be washed before and after touching fruits and food, and after visiting a sick person or after touching animals. I call it the 4 W's. When you visit the sick, wash your hands. When you use the loo, wash your hands. When you touch animal, wash your hands. When you come back from work, wash your hands. Mr. Zigzag worked at the rig as a new employee, but later he fell ill. The company decided to take him to the hospital. After diagnosing him, they discovered he has transmitted infectious disease, which shows that he does not maintain good personal hygiene. So the doctor encouraged him to follow the 4 W's written above. After his treatment and cure, the patient continued to observe the rules of maintaining good hygiene on a regular basis. There should be more enlightenment on this topic, maintaining good personal hygiene, which will help those of the ages of 20 to 50 to live a healthy life. In fact, this is a fight for all. Hygiene is a series of practices performed to preserve health. According to the World Health Organization, hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of infectious disease. Personal hygiene refers to maintaining the body's cleanliness in a bid to cope the spread of diseases like flu and COVID-19 and other transmitted diseases. I thank you for listening and doing this act of information. For more information, please contact us at meglin@gmail.com or CDC 247, saving lives, protecting people. Don't say anything again, I come and think.
Of course now, of course.